everyone, Gianochisano and welcome to my channel. That video was posted by Black Coffee. The DJ might not be in South Africa and probably jetting on and off for gigs in other countries, but he has shown massive support for his maternal hometown, Umtata, which was hit the hardest by the Eastern Cape floods, leaving over 600 people displaced and some losing their lives. As of today, unfortunately, 88 people have lost their lives. Black Coffee's foundation called on other organizations to join and show up for the Umtata community, so Mrs. Company Sompaya had the call and joined, along with Hollywood Beds, Unilever, and others. Black Coffee has also used his international influence to request donations via his foundation on social media, which has raised 500,000 rand so far. The foundation is still accepting donations, so I've put the details on the screen. Please continue to support Umtata Funds Relief if you can, because every contribution makes a difference.
Thank you, Samizi.
Oh, who's so fire?